Hello, my name is Audrey. Today I'm going to be teaching you about the features and how to navigate your handheld rechargeable magnifier from MagniPros. This magnifier is our #1 bestseller because of its simplicity. It's proven to help individuals with low vision issues see a little bit better. Its design is slim and lightweight, and it cradles to the palm of your hand. Okay, let's get started of how to set up your magnifier. First, remove everything out of the box. Each box should include the magnifier, a C-port USB cable, a travel pouch, and an instruction manual. If you are missing anything, please contact us so we can assist you. Disclaimer: each magnifier comes with a USB charging cable, but it does not come with the charging wall brick. You can pick one up in your local department store, or you can plug the cable to your computer USB port to charge it as well. Second, once plugged in, you can see a light indicating the status of your magnifier. Red means it's charging and it will take up to 1 or 2 hours to charge. Green means that it's fully charged and ready to use. Once it's ready to use, unplug the USB cable. And finally, third, to change the color modes, just press down on the button to choose the right lighting for your needs. And to change the brightness, all you have to do is press and hold down the button to adjust. You see, it's that simple. Unlock crystal clear vision and powerful magnification right at your fingertips. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please be free to contact us. MagniPros, seeing things differently.